Wait, remember nung hiniling ko to and it actually happened? Hi guys! Hooray Chicken is finally open in Mandaluyong. You can easily find this branch sa May Silo Circle near City Hall, F. Martinez Street. Katabi lang ng statue and you won't miss it. And now, craving solved. My go-to flavors, the drunken chicken, soy honey garlic, cheesy yum yum, and snowy chiju. Still undefeated. I even brought my family so they could finally try what I've been hyping. Here's what we ordered. We got the big family box, 4 flavors plus sides like kimchi, garlic ranch, and honey mustard. Super sulit. Added Seoul's finest fries, slightly spicy, super addictive. Chiju balls with melted cheese inside. This is insane. And of course, their house blend iced tea. But wait, we didn't stop there. We also grabbed their deals. Sayang naman, di ba? Buy one take one tteokbokki, kimchi fried rice, extra fries, and combo savers. Perfect for sharing. The staff were super friendly and the location is super convenient. If you're around Mandaluyong or heading to City Hall, this is your sign. Available din sila sa GrabFood kaya pwede na magpa-deliver every time may cravings ka for crispy, juicy Korean fried chicken. Mandaluyong peeps, you already know what to try next.